Welcome friends, in this video we shall talk about a hand pose yoga which cures sinusitis, and this hand pose is called as Kuber Mudra. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Kuber Mudra. To form this mudra, do this. Fold little finger and the ring finger and place them at the base of the thumb. Then place the tip of the index finger and the tip of the middle finger onto the tip of the thumb as is shown in the picture here. This mudra is combination of three mudras: Surya Mudra, Vyan Mudra and Varun Mudra. Therefore, it gives benefits of all the three mudras, and we shall be talking about each of these three mudras later in the video as well. This mudra cures sinusitis. Preferably do this mudra along with deep breathing. Surya Mudra part of this mudra along with deep breathing gives heat to sinuses, which dissolves phlegm. It unblocks the nostrils, it removes the heaviness of the forehead and removes headache. Varun Mudra, which is also a part of the overall Kuber Mudra, cures runny nose just as the Surya Mudra does it. Vyan Mudra, which is also part of Kuber Mudra, relieves tension and normalizes the blood pressure. Kuber Mudra greatly helps in meditation. So while you are meditating, you can do Kuber Mudra with your hands and it will benefit your meditation process. Kuber Mudra promotes positive attitudes and leads to tensionless behavior. This mudra is named after Hindu god of wealth, that is Kuber, and this mudra is believed to bring wealth and prosperity. One of the Kuber mantras for money I am giving here, and this mantra is Om Shreem Hreem Kleem Shreem Kleem Vitteshwaraya Namah, which means I bow and worship to the Lord of Fortune and Wealth, which destroys all the negative and prosper us with his immense blessing. Surya Mudra. To do this mudra, fold the ring finger and place its tip at the base of the thumb. Then gently press the folded finger with your thumb and keep the other three fingers straight and upright as shown in this picture. This mudra should be done for 15 minutes, at the most twice a day. It should not be done for more than 15 minutes as it generates a lot of heat in the body. The best time to do this mudra is morning or evening when the external heat due to sun is very less. Surya Mudra benefits. This mudra produces heat in the body and increases vitality. Therefore, it is helpful for those who always feel cold and whose hands and feet or any other part of the body remains cold. This mudra increases heat in the body, which helps cure asthma, common cold, tuberculosis, cough and sinusitis. This mudra decreases body weight. Therefore, it helps in fighting obesity. This cures obesity related diseases such as constipation, high blood pressure, diabetes. This mudra improves body's metabolic rate as well. This mudra controls urea in blood and decreases LDL bad cholesterol in the blood. It cures of all liver ailments. It improves eyesight and cures diseases like cataract. It reduces mental tension, and this mudra also relieves headaches. Do not do this mudra while you are walking. Also, too lean or thin people should not do this mudra. Do not do this mudra if you are having fever. Also, do not do this mudra for more than 15 minutes at a time. Keep a gap of at least 2 hours between heavy meal and when you do this mudra, as both the mudra and the meal produce heat in the body. Also note that acupressure point of thyroid gland is at the base of the thumb. So when you are doing this mudra, the thumb base is pressed and it activates the thyroid gland to produce more hormones. And therefore the condition of hypothyroidism. Hypo means less, thyroidism is related to thyroid. So less secretion from thyroid gland can be cured by this mudra because the acupressure point of thyroid gland is at the base, like shown in the picture here, is at the base of the thumb. People who do desk job will gain tremendously from doing this mudra. For better results, before doing the Surya Mudra, do one of the following. Anjali Mudra, which is also called as Namaste or Namaste Mudra, will be helpful because it helps focus your mind. Or you can do Adi Mudra. After doing Surya Mudra, do one of the following. Varun Mudra, because Varun Mudra is related to water and it helps cool down any excess heat produced by doing the Surya Mudra. Or Prana Mudra or Gyan Mudra. In fact, Gyan Mudra can be done to end any yoga related or yogic activity. Before doing Surya Mudra, preferably drink a glass of water because Surya Mudra produces a lot of heat and this may cause dehydration. So drinking a glass of water before doing Surya Mudra may be helpful. Dhyan Mudra. This mudra is formed by joining together the tips of the thumb, the middle finger and the index finger and keeping the other two fingers upright as shown in the picture here. This mudra signifies the union of fire, space and air elements. This mudra is made up of Akash Mudra and Gyan Mudra. Therefore, it provides the benefits of both these mudras in one single Dhyan Mudra. This mudra should be done 30 minutes twice a day. Dhyan Mudra. This mudra strengthens lungs and heart. It cures high blood pressure and low blood pressure. It cures heart diseases. It improves blood circulation to all parts of the body. It cures drowsiness, fatigue, laziness and excessive sleep. Those who cannot tolerate excessive heat or suffer from sunstroke can benefit greatly by this mudra. This mudra controls excessive thirst, sweating and urination. It brings mental stability and provides enthusiasm. It improves self-esteem. It cures excessive sweating, loose motions and menorrhagia. Varun Mudra. To do this mudra, fold the little finger and place its tip at the base of the thumb. Then gently press the folded little finger with the thumb and keep the other three fingers straight and upright as shown in the picture here. This mudra involves little finger which represents water. Do this mudra when any part of your body is filled with excessive amount of water. This mudra is also known as Jalodar Nashak Mudra. Jal means water, Udar means stomach and Nashak means destroyer. This mudra destroys the swelling of soft tissues which is caused by abnormal accumulation of fluid. Do this mudra for 45 minutes a day or 15 minutes each, 3 times a day. Benefits of Varun Mudra. This mudra cures edema, also known as dropsy. It is a problem of accumulation of water in stomach, feet, ankles, hands, face and other parts of the body. This mudra cures pleurisy, which is a problem of accumulation of water in lungs. This mudra cures any body part swollen due to excessive water or fluid in it. For example, swollen feet or hands. It helps in humid asthma, humid cough, sinusitis, runny nose, watery eyes, etc. It cures symptoms of filaria, which is caused by roundworms. It cures elephantiasis, which is basically the enlargement or hardening of limbs or any other part of the body due to tissue swelling. This mudra cures watery eyes in infants. Note that one may tape the hands of infant to do this mudra also. This mudra helps in excessive urination or intermittent urination problems. This mudra helps in conditions such as leftover urine in bladder even after full peeing. It relieves heavy menstruation and cramps. Varun Mudra cures excessive salivation, runny nose or watery eyes. Those who have dehydration or already have less water in the body should not perform this mudra.